In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a jump cut using just your audio. So first of all, we want to bring our video down to our timeline, edit till we start talking, and then edit the end of our talking. Then we right click on it, go down to extract audio, and that takes the audio out there. Then we can just delete that because we don't need it anymore. I'm going to zoom in just so you can see, but this is where you'll see the jump cut going in. So here, I'm going to cut here. So I click on it and then press C. Then I click and I C again. Then I click on the bit I don't need and drag it down. So now we have that dead space cut out. So the other way that we can do that is we can click on the video, C again, and then drag it across if you want to do that, and then bring it back. And another thing, if you really want to do it the slower way, you can just cut it with this, then move across and then cut it again and then edit it. So the next thing I want to do is bring down the B-roll and edit it to wherever I start. So now instead of seeing me do the talking, you'll actually see a B-roll instead. So if you wanted, you could cut that here and then delete it and then just add another video and so on and so forth. So it's just a case of adding the next video, cutting wherever you're happy, adding the next video, cutting wherever you're happy. So that's how you will create a jump cut with your audio. If you want to see how this is done on your phone, then click this video right here.